ATA for refusing to cover for my boss and getting him in trouble with a patient's wife. I'm 26F and I work as a dental assistant at a private clinic with just one dentist, Dr. Mark, 41M. He's charming, good-looking, super confident. Patients love him, and in our small town, he's really well respected. I've worked here for 3 years, and I've always kept things professional. A few months ago, I noticed he started getting a little too flirty with some female patients, complimenting their looks, lingering a bit too long in the room, making borderline inappropriate jokes when no one else was around. It made me uncomfortable, but I brushed it off, thinking maybe I was just being too sensitive. Then one day, this new patient came in, a woman probably in her late 20s. After she left, Mark winked at me and said, "Now that's a reason to come to work." I just laughed awkwardly and tried to move on. Fast forward to last week, that same woman comes back for a cleaning. After her appointment, I walk into the back room and overhear Mark on the phone with her. He's flirting, making plans, very clearly not work-related. Later that same day, a woman storms into the office. It's his wife. The waiting room is full. She's yelling, demanding to know if it's true, asking who the woman is. And then she turns to me. She says, "You work with him. You must know. Is he cheating on me?" My heart was pounding, but I looked her in the eye and said, "Yes. I think he's been seeing someone who comes here. I'm sorry." She walked out in tears. Mark looked at me like I had just destroyed his world. He barely said a word to me after that, except to tell me I betrayed him and should have stayed out of it. The next morning, he called me into his office and told me it wasn't going to work out. No write-up, no official reason, just thanks for your time. And I was out. Now I'm home, updating my resume and applying to other clinics, wondering if I did the right thing. I keep thinking about that moment, how hurt and scared his wife looked. And honestly, I know I would have felt worse if I had lied for him. I lost my job, but I wouldn't change what I said. So, am I the a-hole?